In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Figma file. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive in. Figma has become an incredibly popular design tool, and sometimes we find ourselves needing to clean up and delete files that we no longer need. Deleting a file in Figma is a straightforward process, so let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to launch Figma and head to your home page. You can do this by clicking on the Figma logo in the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll see all your recent projects and files. Just look for the section that says Home. This is your central hub for all your designs. Once you're here, you should be ready for the next step. Next, locate the project that contains the file you wish to delete. Click on that project to open it up. You'll see a list of files inside the project. Browse through them and find the specific file you want to delete. Go ahead and open that file. Now that you're inside your project file, look at the top left corner of your Figma window. You'll see the project name displayed there. Right next to it, there's a little drop-down menu icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on that drop-down menu, and it will reveal some options for you. Once the menu is open, scroll down to the very last option, which should say Move to Trash. Click on that option. Figma is quite user-friendly, so it will usually prompt you with a confirmation when you're about to permanently remove a file. At this point, you should see a confirmation box asking if you're sure you want to move this file to the trash. If you're absolutely certain that you want to delete it, go ahead and confirm that action. This step ensures that files aren't deleted accidentally, which is always a plus when managing your designs. And just like that, your file is now moved to the trash. Remember, moving a file to the trash does not permanently delete it right away. Figma holds on to those files for a little while, allowing you to restore them if you change your mind. If you need to empty the trash completely, you can do that from the trash section. So there you have it. Deleting a Figma file is as easy as following these simple steps. You open your home page, locate your project, find the file, and use the drop-down menu to move it to trash. It's a quick process that can help keep your workspace organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!